Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you more examples of multiplying fractions. So sometimes you can write the prime factors of the original fractions and divide out common factors before multiplying, because sometimes you might be multiplying some pretty big numbers. An example of this would be, say, multiplying 2/9 by 15/16. Now I could multiply these two numbers together, but the products would be a little bit more difficult to simplify in the end. So instead, what if we just write out the prime factors of these four numbers and then simplify where we can? So for 2, that would just be 2 because this number is prime. 15 will be 3 times 5. 9 is 3 times 3. And then 16 is 2 written out 4 times. So now we can just cancel out what matches up top and on bottom. So we have a 2 there, a 2 there, and a 3 there. And then just write what's left. Up top it's just a 5. 3 times 8, or 24. This is the final answer. I cannot reduce this any further. Let's look at another example. Let's say I've got the following. -8/5 times 5/12. Now I'll put the negative on hold for just a moment because we know that we have a negative times a positive, so by rule this product will be negative. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, and then 5 is prime. 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. Now ultimately, if I were to multiply this out, I would get -40/60. And you can solve it that way if you'd like. I'm just trying to make this a little bit easier. Cancel out the 2's there. And cancel out the 2's there. I have 10/15. Oops, cancel out the 5's. So I'm left with 2/3, but a -2/3. Because remember, this was a negative times a positive. So my final answer is -2/3. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.